What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Jap Scrap Customs YouTube channel. I'll be your host today. I'm Garrett Newman. Welcome to the 4th annual Mower Nationals. Let's go check out the competition, shall we? So we're going to go check out the competition now, and then we're going to interview some of the competitors. So we got quite the lineup of mowers going here today, and it varies from all different makes and models. You're going to see a lot of different things that people are going to think that works, but they have no idea what they're in for.
I'm gonna paint my case to look like a wheel horse.
There's one of the competitors right now. Grady, what do you think about this year's lawnmower race?
I don't know, I haven't looked at the track. We're just gonna play it by ear and see what happens.
Frick happens?
Oh shit, we're on camera now.
Yeah. So how many years have you been running this competition?
My mower breaks every year, so this will probably be the first one I actually see all the way through.
Come show us your mower. I haven't seen your mower yet. What are you running this year?
Fine MTD right here.
This model right here.
Yeah, it's for Stanley Black & Decker. Stanley Black & Decker now. It's just
Oh,
MTD.
she's a unit.
She looks sweet.
How do you think you're going to stack up in the competition today?
Probably second to last if I had to guess right.
I like your optimism there.
Yeah.
Very good, very good.
Pretty good at that.
Charlie, Garrett, another competitor, standing right here with us.
Yep.
What are you running today?
This unit right over here that somebody decided to crash into earlier.
Don't worry about that.
We got the Fine Raider 12 with the T12 Predator engine in it.
Oh, a Predator.
It's got a piston, flywheel, carb, some mud tires on it. We're gonna see what it'll do. Broke it last night, but we got it going this morning.
And what time were we up till working on this thing?
Like 3:30.
Yeah.
We had the late night snack at 3:30.
So how do you think you're going to stack up in the competition?
I mean, I'm just hoping to shake and bake a little bit.
Very nice, very nice.
We even got some custom TIG work on the exhaust over here. Got that done at work yesterday.
So,
Real solid unit.
what do you think about this year's track?
It'll be interesting. Very interesting.
Very good. Well, you heard it from a couple of competitors themselves. Oh, Gavin, we have another competitor right here. Gavin, how many years you been running this event?
3.
3 years now. What are you running this year? Let's go check it out. He's got the helmet on. He's ready to roll. So, what is this fine unit you have here?
It's an old Kohler wheel horse that I put another tire on both sides.
So you got duals on it, you got wheel weights on it.
4-wheeler from Bumper.
That's performance right there. How do you think you're going to do in the competition today?
Either last or third to last.
Once again, a very optimistic competitor. Well, you've heard it yourselves. We're going to keep moving on, and maybe we'll run some more competitors, or maybe the race will be starting soon. We'll just have to play it by ear and see how it goes.
But how
Jared,
hello.
What in the world of motorsports do we have going on right here?
We have a mower quad.
I see.
A lot of late nights and quick engineering and thinking.
Yeah, because a week ago this was blown up.
Yeah, that was Wednesday this started. So I got a 14 horsepower engine. Completely had to modify the frame for the engine, and then I decided 2 days was enough time to put a 4-wheeler on the front of it, and I just started cutting stuff with a torch, and then just one step at a time welding stuff back. And don't look at the welds too close, but
So
they may or may not hold.
what do you think about the competition today?
I think that honestly this thing's too long. I realized once I held everything up and everything was tacked up that it's too long, but I didn't have a choice but to finish it. There's a lot of things I have to do to create the tight turns, but there's a lot of tight turns back there, so everybody else has the advantage there. The only thing I have an advantage of is my back might not hurt as much.
Yes.
That's
How do you think you're going to stack up in the competition today?
middle somewhere. Middle center.
Middle?
Depends on how many times people run into me when I'm trying to turn.
That's more optimistic than I've heard so far from anyone. So you heard yourself from Jared?
Middle-ish.
Be on the lookout for this contraption out there.
It's a contraption.
How do you think you're going to do?
We're gonna rip. I think it's gonna be good. Good day. It's gonna be a good day.
Signed in. We're going to send you guys to walk the course because I want everyone to look at everything on the course this year before we send you out there. So like 5 minutes we'll do a walk of the course. Drivers meeting! Drivers meeting! Everyone, this is Corey. Corey's going to be your racetrack guide today. Corey's going to take you for a walk around the course and show you everything. So, everybody find Corey.
I'll be at the starting line.
Corey will be at the starting line. All racers go to the starting line and find Corey.
So how many fit on this thing at once? Have we tried that?
2 can fit sideways. We haven't tried one by one. We've tipped it with one.
That's gonna be a fucking pop.
And you cannot bypass that. So if you are coming up to it and they're at the end and it's flipped up, you gotta stop and then go over it.
How many drunk fat guys do you think it takes? 4.
Or just hurry up and hit him in the ass and get on there.
No bypassing this. No, that's.
We can barely even walk over and let alone drive it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Going up and over the barrels. You slam them. Keep going. Up and over the barrels.
Uppies. Uppies. Downies.
This is a free-for-all. You get to pick wherever you want to go.
Where's our goal?
Our goal is to come up here
You go this way.
from the barrels to here. Whatever you want to do. Then up and over.
So go as fast as possible right here.
I mean, it turns, so whatever you want to do, if you can make the turn,
Just don't
whatever.
smash the back. I like how you guys use it.
There's a backhoe right there to guard that pool, so this guy doesn't launch into it.
God it, damn it.
I just put this up. Can you do this one?
That is 1 lap. We're doing 3.
And this is the finish?
This is the finish right here. That we're doing 3.
3 laps?
3 laps.
Okay. All I need to know.
That's brave considering you lost your hood last year.
That's because I jumped that. This one's not that fast.
You're all voting 3 laps?
Oh, wait,
What?
I'd say 4. 4. You're doing 4. Is everyone ready? All right. 3, 2, 1, go!
my clutch car.
Oh no!
mound. I own it now.
Good spot for that.
Leave it there for the next round.
Guys, I think this tractor's.
And here's the guy that's done 15 laps. So the MTD products get you, not to the finish.
I got the camera up. You're good. You good? Time.
Come on.
You lost something there.
Oil.
Well, yeah. I know.
Beans on it. He was cooking him probably.
Yeah.
I got my teeter.
So what do you think? Are you done now?
I don't know. There's lots of oil dripping from everywhere.
You have a little bit of oil on there.
Yeah, a little
Just
bit.
a little bit. Think she'll still fire?
I don't. Maybe.
Anything from it yet?
No, it's good.
Oh, that's what you lost, your rough country cover.
Oh yeah.
See what she does there. Oh, I don't think it's gonna go.
I knew we should have put a belt on it. It slipped and then it caught, and I'm like, I'm off. I just jumped off. I'm not. I'm not landing under it.
It's got the sticker at least.
What happened?
He flipped. There he goes. There he goes.
I flipped pushing him up the last hill.
What'd you think? Good?
Fantastic. It's almost too easy this year.
Garrett, do you have your winners? Is Garrett in serious work mode right now?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure this out. The mower is ready for the next round. Pulled the broken battery out of a broken tractor. Fixed the throttle, we're ready. What do you have to say, Garrett?
I don't know.
How was the show?
Awesome!
Yeah? Yeah?
Awesome!
How was it, guys?
So good! Great!
What are you doing?
Fixing broken shit?
stuff?
Stuff.
What'd you do?
Center a little too hard. We shook and baked. Around here a little bit.
Yeah, continue on.
We just need to load around the trailer.
Continue on. Blaze, don't waste your good eye.
Good enough for what we're doing.
Oh yeah.
That's not cool. How little did you let you over? I know, I'm scared. I actually
Oh, are they only? Yeah, they're only doing 2. All right, how was the last run?
Fantastic. I broke it. I have a wall of stems, shoved them right in the wall.
Yeah. Where's NASCAR
Call him Jade. How was your flip?
That was pretty good. It was great. Because all I saw out of the corner of my eye was him tumbling.
That was a good catch.
Yeah. No, my hood and everything got pushed down and bent. Knocked my other headlight out.
Alright, so post-race, we're standing here with some of the competitors. Jim Jr., how was the race today?
It was pretty good. It was a fun time. Obstacles were nice in the course. Could have been a touch tougher, but I think everyone had a good time battling each other out there.
And what were you racing today?
A stock Craftsman with just a set of tires on the back.
Very well. And you finished the race, correct?
Yep, got 4th, I think.
Very nice. I do believe.
I think
there's another competitor right over here. Kenny, how was the race today?
Race is great.
How did you do?
You keep it a good solid 3 miles an hour. You only flip once or twice. Belt comes off 10 or 5 times. You're doing good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you finish a lap later than everybody else.
You were off to a rough start, weren't you?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Did you break anything though?
No.
The old wheel horse held strong, right?
Yeah, we're good.
Very good, very good. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah, loads of fun.
Awesome. Very well. Well, you heard from one of the competitors right here at Jap Scrap Customs. Attention all people, can we get everyone that competed to congregate by the barn? We are going to announce the winners of the main event and the women's race. All people, please and thank you. So for the main event, in first place we have Shane.
You got a trophy. Broken Parts Trophies.
Nice.
Do you want to explain where the trophies came from?
So the trophies this year, we didn't have much time. So we went back in the woods and found Corey's hood from last year.
Oh, sweet.
And dug it out, and we cut them out. So
Show me the one.
you just get the whole rest of the hood with that one.
It unbolts.
Thanks.
So second place is Jay. Woo!
Watch out, they gotta run you over.
Yeah, I will.
And then in third place, where's Alex at? There you go. Alex was trying to send the rods out the motor and got him a third place finish.
Thank you.
You see the third? Spin it around. Oh, it's literally dark colored.
Yeah, that one was out of the middle of the hood.
It's great coming out here competing at this level. Thanks for having me.
Oh yeah. All right. So, Shane, you got first place today out there. How was the course, and what did you think about the competition out there?
It was brutal. Excellent competition. There was rubbing all over the track. A little shorter this year, but there was a lot of good obstacles, and you had to be a driver. Good day.
All right, you heard it from the first place winner. Jay, how did you stack up today with the competition? What did you bring?
A decent paint job. Other than that, my mower was a big pile of crap. But no, the track was good. It was a good race and definitely brutal. And I'm not mad with second.
That's quite the pile up.
Pile up? Well, you know, hey, get off my ass hand. Leave me alone.
Did you have fun?
Oh, it was great. It was awesome. Last year was great. Looking forward to next year, and we'll bring some more toys next year.
Do you think that you're going to have the same mower next year, or are you going to come out with something bigger and better?
I will have the same race mower, but I think we're going to have the redneck limo next year.
All right.
We'll see what happens.
All right. So, Alex.
Yes, sir.
How many years have you been running this now?
This is my second year doing this.
Second year running this.
Yes, sir.
And you got a third place finish this year.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's some stiff competition out there. It's really anyone's race until you cross that finish line. The first race, I had a couple issues. Had to make a couple trail repairs. Managed to finish it. Track was great. A little bit shorter this year. Very technical, extremely rough on equipment. Overall, great time.
How is your mower standing right now?
It still runs and drives. I'm planning on running it next year.
All right.
Yeah, maybe with some new tires though.
New tires. So, did you have fun?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having us out.
Thanks for coming and putting on the show, you guys.
Yeah, it's definitely a great time.
Cool. Thank you.
Is Garrett ever gonna race?
Nope. Garrett's broken.
Chris!
There's no telling that your husband was being lame this time. And he told me I could use a little bit of vegetable oil and not the good stuff.
You lit it without me, though.
There was nothing to show.
You lit it without me.
You should have known the sun goes down. I mean, I can't be helped.
I worked hard at building that.
And I worked hard at lighting it. So, thank you. We both did our part.
Wow.
High five. It's not as good as the last light, but it'll work.